This helicopter just turned from coming up this direction, suddenly hooked back towards my phone signal. Look at this. So sus. Now they're hooking back the other way. See that? They're gone that way and now they're hooking back this other way. Let's see if they come back. Gotta love the proof. Because they just came from down that direction, went to the mountain, came, hooked it. Oh, they're going. But they definitely done a wriggle. Did you see the wriggle? To try and view from the cockpit or whatever, or on the side view. So they're doing it here too. This is an hour north from that other place that I was staying, that other camping Marindia. Now I'm at camping Periopolis. But on that mountain there, right, that's where I'm camping. I have seen the light planes come over, and I know that they're still on my signal. They're just not as much, and I'm even further, you know, out from the flight path, so to speak. So there's not as many. But back at that other camping, fuck, there were so many. And the low flyovers, to make it obvious, like they wanted to get filmed. Hold on. Do I hear it coming back? Sorry. Oh, I thought I heard it coming back. Oh, it is. Oh, that's awesome. Nice. Then I get the footage after all. Look, it's coming back. So it's just gone up there and hooked it back around. Let's get out here into the clearing, because they're going to want to know what I look like for whatever reason. Because it's like federal level stalking, obviously. Look, here they come. Just doing circles, bro. Oh, and look at this. Security guard. Look at that for timing. The Vista Seguridad. Wow, that's some good timing. And he waved.